Arvin, top loss sa Game 1.
Yeah. Without it, I'm back. But no, it's a long series. Yeah. That's why it's a series. We were able to adjust from the last game. Yeah, well, we're still good for now, diba? Just have to watch the tape again, the game, and then do the necessary adjustments. But it's not. It's not. This is not the time to parang feel down. Talo, tambak. But we have to really stay positive kasi it's a long series. It's just game 1. Could have been an important win for us, but that happened. But we'll forget about this. Tomorrow it's another day. It's another game.
Arvin, yung long layoff sa tingin mo naka-affect sa inyo?
I can't really say it's like what I said before. It's an advantage and disadvantage for us. It's an advantage kasi we were able to rest, to polish our game. But at the same time, medyo yung kalawang nandun, yung kalawang factor. But hindi naman yun yung hindi ko pwede sabihin yun yung rason. They played a great game. Yun lang yun. I guess.
Kung yung depensa nila sa'yo?
Yun. Well, they did a great job today. But need to be better next game. Definitely watch the tape, watch how they defend. Let's see next week.
Arvin, sa Northport, ikaw lang tsaka si Paolo tayo yung nakapag-semifinals yun.
CD.
Puro yun Ebro.
Oo, galing dyan.
So yung experience na, tingin mo, rin dun sa mga teammates. Playing the first set.
I can't really say, kasi sa part nila yun but well, based on the way we played tonight, I guess that's a big factor also. I'm not sure if my jitters, diba? But yeah, I can't really say. Siguro sila yung makakasabi talaga meron. But yun yung experience yung malaking factor sa amin. First time din nung ibang teammates. But that's good also na experience na nila yun ngayon today. Meron pa naman game na susunod, so I guess we'll definitely be better.
Okay, see you Friday.
See you.
Thank you.